guys, let me tell you something. I don't really trust this thing. I don't really trust these two persons to do anything for me, so bear with me.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. Or you want the Slim Shady, so just get my taste. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up.
What's up guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, guys, I am at the beach. Big face, honey. Hold on, this can't zoom. Alright, this can't zoom, guys, but I'm going over by her. I am just at Starbucks trying to get something to drink. So yeah, in today's video, I am at the beach. I'm going to be doing a belly casting video. My homegirl Shanae, she's pregnant. As y'all know, you guys will probably know by this because I'm going to upload a baby shower video before this video, so you guys will know that she's pregnant by this. I'm just going, it's my baby, by the way. She's just my surrogate. If you know, you know. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a belly casting video. Hopefully it all goes well, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing a belly casting video and I'll record throughout the day. So yeah, that's it. Let's go.
I'm coming to take your order, shirt.
Thank you.
Yes, right here, I'm coming up. Take your time.
It's supposed to be a strawberry cappuccino, but she said that she didn't have the sauce to make it, so she gave me strawberry and cream. That's what she said.
That's cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, so guys, and you see?
No milk in there.
Yeah.
I remember something I have on the marathon.
Guys, we know that Shanae ugly long time, and I just know because she claimed to say. But yeah, no. And that is our cousin Kimai.
Come on.
Shanae, all the people have been listening to the back side.
Got him! Got him!
Oh, wait. I can't remember.
No, I have no bag.
Umbrella.
You know, so you go to belly canvas.
But to me bag kind of heavy too. Always I just say bad pan. I'm a towel heavy in there. Thank you.
Finally. This shit is so heavy in my bag.
With the loaded fries, pork bits. And how much nuggets? Oh, 6 piece.
With beef.
Eh? Yeah.
6 piece with beef. It's unbelievable.
I don't want no drinks yet. When this do? I may have water in my bag. You carry water?
Flatbread? Never remember water.
Water in my bag.
The flatbread,
What?
I don't want the flatbread.
Oh,
Yes, sir, we are taking me at
no water.
No, I want saltfish fritters.
Yeah, I want one of your service with us.
That's it? Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, I go change.
Change man, I want to tap it off and get to work.
Yeah. Tima, you have to go help me, no, because I never do this before. Okay, so guys, this is what we are going to use. This is the belly casting kit. It has all the stuff to do the casting and it comes with decoration in there as well. So
We got starting now?
you want to eat first?
We can just talk.
You
We can
talk.
just do some never have I ever in a meantime.
You have them by your phone?
We can just come up with something. I want story. Never have I steal before.
Describe stealing.
Editing. I can tell you guys about my experience at Panama.
Oh, what is one? Go right ahead.
Hi guys. So I'm not normally like this. I'm normally hot.
What do you see that?
I'm normally hot. Now I'm looking just a little bit extra dark and fluff. Anyways, what should we talk about today? I know we have kids and respectful adults. What should we talk about? You know, some always on that there's something there. Microceiling something. Not a microceiling. Paraceiling. Edit. Every minute them people are just now we like when you come a beach, you know picture. Then I'll never know. We are meaning. I eat Kim and
Guys, oh, show them how come in our kids.
Oh, so we have the belly lubricant. We have the thing. When I'm ready to open the pack, I'll show you. This is the thing that is supposed to go on my tummy. These are the bling bling. I'm not gonna use a pink, but y'all know it's not a girl, it's a boy. So I'm gonna use this. Oh, we have, wow, we have magnificent blue. Wow. Oh, we have more glitter, you know, like fun day. When you put it on the outside, we have this, and we have brush. We have glue that you usually use in a scrapbook. And most importantly, gloves, so you know we're dolly. We don't want our fingernails to get black. Oh, look at these butterflies. They normally put it in braids. What else? I really don't know what is this. It's like sticking plaster in case my belly gets cut.
Stop it.
I don't really trust this thing.
This is plastic.
Guys, let me tell you something. I don't really trust this thing. I don't really trust these two persons to do anything for me, so bear with me.
This is just
Argentina shirt.
So it doesn't cost.
Oh, to lay down, yeah, so we don't mess up the beach and have to pay any money. And I have a basin.
Chanel.
You can know that Rafaya is washing at her yard. So I have a basin.
Yo.
What else? Everything. Yeah. And guys, this is Kimai, and you know this is your favorite Slim Shady. Yes.
So guys, we have everything in stock
Start, so we just
except a plan or a sketch.
And
And the scissors.
I wonder if they have you. If you can borrow one.
Monday.
Barry said that we'll cut up something after thing. I'm not okay, I just cut up something.
No, honey, are you in respect? Yeah,
Our money.
No, you 700.
Mine have bad.
Guys, let me ask you something. You ever in a situation where you don't know how to solve it?
That's it.
No, I'm think about one next day.
How much minutes that? Okay, everything down.
I can't see neither. I'm going to see my face good. I feel go like me this thing. Oh, yes, guys. I call this girl. And I said, we're going on the beach to a body
Belly cast.
a belly casting.
I thought you said take a photo shoot.
This girl come in jeans pants and t-shirt says she thinks it's a photo shoot. Tell me now. I could have been so workless to just get up and do a photo shoot. I don't have to dolly down, my makeup has to do. I have to change my hair. I have to have a nice clothes. And so forth.
I'm thinking that you don't have the things. See me and say me don't want to make you look too shabby. Me wear
Coming out, man.
Yeah, well, man, you don't need to breed up. Guys, get your friends to breed up. This is very good. It comes with a lot of stuff. You can't edit them.
I see him something they go on, so make him go on. Make him go on.
I speak proper English, guys, but sometimes the fact what you feel.
So that means that we don't want pictures with that.
Guys, I'm on the beach just relaxing, waiting for this girl to do my thing.
Waiting for a movie to come and pick me up.
Guys,
Yeah.
oh, I didn't do any exercising this morning, so I have to do some workout on the beach too.
Shane, you not do our work.
I'm going to do some workout on the beach. I'm going to braid my hair tomorrow, guys, in the color. Which color you think I should do? Purple with
Time they say this is your braid long time.
color, or I gotta come with the food? No.
So now come on further and further, you know. Belly I get big, man.
Guys, this is my friend. Guys, this is my friend. I carry food. But full of sun and blood. Go up on the box house, you know, so you want to change it. Go up on the
Oh,
box
and
house.
you? Me not go funny with you. Not when I know that.
They must say they need of them that sit over here, so I'm only real to come over here.
How you much come over here?
$700.
Oh.
They never have that, there's something there roughy.
All if they have it, me not go panic. I remember me go up on one of a Puerto Rico. The king catch me for years. Yeah, actually. Food, but I know food. I say I think I Alright, guys. Shanae, go eat first, then we continue. We're waiting on the food. So, yeah.
Oh, you're making the cut. Oh. You can always have that. It's a good company anyways.
You have to put something on belly. I don't trust them. Right now, I'm
Put it clean.
I don't have something there on my back. I don't trust it all in the
Wait, you see, me think you have to lubricate the belly first, then put it clean up, then lubricate it again, then we put them in.
No, just put this pan here, test something. I don't really trust them 2 years, and I said that's the last. So.
You don't trust them?
Shanae, trust you don't want to lubricate the
Me
belly?
go take off this, but I say just a practice. Come, measure my belly with it. Me go just take it off when I'm done.
Oh,
You can always have that to look back on.
Yeah.
It's thoughtful.
I came up with the idea.
Oh, you're such a good friend.
I know, right?
Alright,
Just friend or your sister?
I'm the mother of the child. She's just a surrogate.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah.
understandable.
Me not,
Where I go out, they come more rough in case it's true.
mine.
That's a one piece cut. So that's a one piece. Put on the next piece now. No, you can't know how much tomorrow. You can't take off each one.
One more? No?
You should have spread something on the bed for all the time. What about the top?
Yeah, remember say it's dry, you know, so I just. But see, I was just a skip coming night.
I just on everything on it.
Yeah.
Afterwards. Because it has
Here, make sure you leave it up. Let me see.
me not really go dry.
An epic fail.
Let's hope it doesn't.
Cut?
We need more underneath. But then I have to go stand up.
Lean back a bit. Oh, yes, stand up.
Pull it up.
Wow, you're saying hot man.
In a minute now, if I write, that's alright now.
Oh, man, you're trying to panic if that happens, because you have to panic and run down like the backside.
The one in front of me. The one in front of me.
Yeah, we had Philip some more.
No, witness that.
You hear him?
Cut extra strips.
Cut piece on the piece
Alright.
underneath.
So I'm going to just cook more. Just measure it to this now and cut the rest. So the dark him up supposed to be like, well, that's white. Look, friend come like a man that they walking out.
The guy brings to come at it Friday.
Chop more in case or nothing.
Cut one short one there too. That done.
Next one.
I got it. I'm put in a garbage bag.
It's a video for the bed when we are going to start.
Give me that there.
I put the garbage in my bag.
Let's cut some strips up in there.
Or just cut up the
Alright,
wall of that
see
they
there.
want there and do.
See there, you can come sorry.
Thanks very much.
Look at that. Belly
You
fat.
go,
Lose weight.
Bombaza for
You
yourself.
know what to lubricate to me. I'm not going to figure out.
Remember saying it was a test you.
You want to do funny?
No, yeah.
When you done it. Alright, so we need to explain what that. Alright, so guys, the most important thing we forgot that, which was a scissors. So we had to try and use a scissors from away up there, so the restaurant or somewhere up there. So shout out to the young lady that let us borrow the scissors so we could still continue doing the video. But yep. I'm going to show them what I get. Shanae, you're not even sure nobody what.
Guys, we get burger.
Oh, really? Mine is making yes. Keep my on gone.
So I get my world's favorite web plantain and a beef cheeseburger.
I got chicken nuggets. God, everywhere I go, I get burger. I just eat burger. So I don't want a burger. I got chicken nuggets, come with fries here, so little vegetable and some sauce. And I got loaded fries as well because I never know say nuggets them come with the fries anyways. Me done vlog, tell me. Hey, love me alone, Shani.